Hi, my vision is to create the RoomieBot, a friendly, easy-to-use home monitoring system using modified and enhanced off-the-shelf technology. In order to be successful, the RoomieBot must satisfy these 5 core values. Number 1, the RoomieBot must serve a valuable purpose. Imagine being able to be in 2 places at the same time. Whether it's at work or on vacation or anywhere around the world, you can still monitor your home on a real-time basis. Number 2, it must be functional, must be reliable, it shouldn't break. Number 3, it must be user-friendly, it should be easy to set up. You shouldn't have to be a network technician just to get it to work. When you log on to your RoomieBot, you should be able to see what's going on in your house. Number 4, it shouldn't have any monthly subscription fees. Why should you have to pay for something that you already own? And the internet is basically free, but these big companies want to charge you a lot of money just to be able to use your device. And finally, the RoomieBot must be secure. You don't want anybody else looking inside your home without your permission. Wouldn't it be great to have a device that would notify you no matter where you were through a text or an email that you had an increased elevation of temperature or humidity, and be able to log on to that and see where the leak is, drive it up to the refrigerator and see there's a puddle there? Wouldn't it be great to be able to lock your door or open a pet door so that your pet can come in or out? Wouldn't it be great to be able to unlock your door for your neighbor if you wanted them to check on something, like a high temperature warning you received and confirmed was a fallen space heater? The ability to recognize then fix this dangerous issue truly is the future, and I want one. The technology for Roomie already exists. Some companies tried and failed in 2008 to develop a product that would do exactly what we're talking about. They failed because they were hard to set up and they were not reliable. They didn't do what they promised to do. That's where Roomie comes in. It will be reliable and it will be easy to set up. The technology's improved dramatically. The ability to integrate all the home monitoring systems into one unit will be fantastic. To receive a notice that your oven is on and be able to turn that off, it's the future. Information Handling Services, a prominent marketing research firm, says that by 2018, home monitoring and control will be a $12 billion market. One of the most difficult obstacles is raising venture capital. Up until sites like Indiegogo existed, it was very difficult for entrepreneurs and small companies to raise venture capital. That's where you come in hand. The money that you donate will be used to develop the first production run and bring it to the market. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you can help me to realize my dream to bring the RoomieBot to market. I believe the RoomieBot will perform a very valuable service, allowing you to be in 2 places at the same time and monitor the things that matter to you. Thank you.